Good day, shout out guys, another tutorial, another song. So again, the song is from Elijah Woods, and this time the title of the song is Where We're Going. So this is our version, 4 chords version ng kanta. Ituturo ko sa inyo at syempre meron tayong string pattern. Let's start kaagad, chords muna. So these are the chords, please follow me. 4 chords for the entire song or whole song. So the first chord is E flat minor. Na 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 na. So 6 fret lang yan guys, 6 fret. 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay? And the second chord ay B. And then the third chord ay F sharp. And then C sharp. And then sa first part string pattern ay down lang. Na 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 na. So kaya na bala mag-timing kaya na bala. And then the rest is ganitong string pattern. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay? Down, na. So, repeat lang itong mga chords ito guys. So, 4 chords lang ulit. E flat minor, B, F sharp, at C sharp. And then, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So, yan lang, 4 chords only sa buong kanta. At meron pala tayong FB page, no? Please follow me. Ilagay ko ang link sa baba. Nag-upload tayo. Mas madali mag-play doon kasi at minsan hindi na natin piniplay. Kusang nagpo-play pag Facebook eh. Follow me ilalagay ko ang link sa baba, comment section. Follow me sa Facebook. Ang dito man tutorial guys, mag-upload din siguro ako ng with K2 version na next upload natin. Bye bye.